How do you create a product demo video fast, without complex editing? Here's how to make a product demo video with Visla in a few simple steps. Upload your media content into your private stock library. Visla automatically tags and processes everything, so your content is easy to find and reuse. From your dashboard, click Create Video, then add a prompt, script, or other media. Visla's AI generates your video in just a few minutes. If you choose to fine-tune your video, use Visla's scene-based video editor to adjust your scenes and background music and add polish to your demo. No complex tools, just a clean, professional result. If you want more control over how your product demo looks and feels, you can create your video using Visla's AI Director mode. With AI Director mode, you can plan and produce your demo video like a creative director. Start with your product story. In Visla's AI video agent, add a landing page, script, or upload slides, or even type out a rough idea. The AI will turn your input into a structured storyboard with a visual style, characters, objects, and environment. Your storyboard establishes the visual direction of your video. In addition to the style of your video, you can add additional media to round out your storyboard. Characters control who appears in the video, objects tell the AI what is supposed to be shown or featured, and your environment is where you want your video to take place. Make sure to add all your company's branding assets to your storyboard to keep your brand front and center in your video. You'll have the opportunity to review and refine your storyboard before animating it into a video. Turn key moments into video clips and adjust individual scenes without rebuilding everything. After you finish editing your video, you can continue to use Visla's AI video editing tools to trim or extract clips, save your transcript, and download or share your video. Create product demo videos faster, from idea to polished video, in one workflow with Visla.